Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kavya. I prepare pure vegetarian recipes on my channel. This can also be seen in Telugu and I'll link them in the description box below. Today we're making a very nice tea time snack. It can be also eaten as a breakfast. It's crispy, instant, soft from the inside and made with bread. It's very yummy. It's called bread pakora. It's made with simple ingredients also. Now let's see what these ingredients are. We need some bread, 1.5 cups of wheat flour, half a cup of rice flour, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 2 whole green chilies or as per your taste, some salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida, cumin as per your taste again, and some oil for deep fry. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, take 1.5 cups of wheat flour, add in 2 tablespoons of rice flour, green chilies, coriander leaves, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, hing and cumin, and mix all these ingredients together. And now add about 1.5 glasses of water, little at a time, and mix them again. Make sure there are no lumps and keep mixing them or whisking them until a smooth batter with no lumps is formed. Now take in the bread slices, dip in the batter and make sure that all the sides are coated well. Now you need not remove the borders of the bread because the borders give you a very nice crisp taste. Now deep fry all of them. Keep mixing from time to time until they're golden brown. Take them out on a tissue paper and it's ready. It's very yummy, crispy from out and soft, tender from the inside, just like your heart. And my mouth is watering. I can't wait to taste them. This is my most favorite breakfast snack, and you can just make it on the go when you're in a hurry. Just serve it with some ketchup and you'll have a yummy breakfast. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.